Hello everyone, this is a little video about the swivel wrist strap. This is a neat little strap that goes on the base of your cameras or camcorders where it mounts to the tripod. It's an all metal construction on the unit itself. It has a rubber gasket which creates a suction to the base of your camera. It swivels 360 degrees. It has two through and through, what are those, rivets, which is very secure. It has a stitching right on the base of the metal here to keep the strap from separating if it gets snagged on or anything. Very fun, very secure. Here is a Nikon D800 with a strap, which I'll show you how it goes on. Goes right up in the base, just like so. Nice and snug. Swivels. And for those of you who don't like the neck strap, this is a great alternative. It's very secure. Again, it swivels 360 degrees. Goes on and off fairly quickly. Here is a Nikon D3 with a strap. Even though it has a big battery grip built into it, the strap works just as well. Especially for taking portrait up and down shots. Again, very secure. And for those of you who like the neck strap, you could turn any neck strap that comes with your camera or camcorder into a swivel neck strap, just like so. All I did was take my neck strap and looped the wrist strap onto it to create the neck strap. So here's my D800 neck strap that I turned into a swivel neck strap and goes right on to the base instead of the strap on here. And when I'm taking portrait shots, normally the strap will cover my viewfinder, my eyepiece, and that's very annoying. So here is the neck strap. So when you wear it around your neck, it's very comfortable and it's very safe. Another great idea for the wrist strap are for those large lenses with a tripod mount. And you could add a carabiner and put it on your belt buckle or backpack to store it when you don't need it. And when you do need it, just unhook it and mount it to your camera. And the strap could also just stay on the camera when you're shooting. The strap also works with all handheld camcorders. And for those of you who don't like the hand strap that comes with the camcorder, which doesn't free up your hand, you can use the wrist strap, use the camcorder when you need it, and when you need a free hand, it'll just hang around your wrist. Here's an off-camera flash. Add the wrist strap to the base of the flash trigger, wear it on one hand, have the camera on the other hand, and you can use that when you need it, and when you need an extra hand, just drop the flash and you can use the camera. Swivel wrist strap. It's an excellent accessory to have along with your photo equipment. Have one, have two, have three. The more the merrier.